card. Well done.
Thank you.
I can MEandKTy keys in here.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Doesn't feel like it. This is like mega true. Oh, I could do the paragraph. I love that card. That's really cute.
I chose that all by myself.
It's really nice. Okay, so I know.
Just shimmy back a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's better.
I know what this one is because I chose this months ago and I've been waiting for it. I made Matt buy me this ages ago, and it's a luxury car valet kit. This is very cute, and it comes in a nice bag. It's really heavy. So yeah, it's got wheel cleaner, car shampoo, speed wax, not just wax, speed wax, glass cleaner, wheel and component brush, detailing brush, microfiber cleaning cloth, fine weave microfiber cloth, and microcell sponge. I actually have no idea what this could be.
You'll probably be like, oh, once you open it.
Oh! What is it? The towel?
It's a drying towel, yeah.
I just said that to you the other day.
I'd already got it.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Thank you. I literally said about it, didn't I, the other day? I said to you, oh, where did you get yours from? And I was just like, yeah. Oh. Thank you. I wouldn't have guessed that. Oh, that was close because I did say about 5 o'clock.
Yeah, but I was just like, why'd I get you that? Because it was close, so I had to sort of pretend.
No, yeah, that was good though. I haven't got a drying towel.
No, that's why I got it. Oh.
I have no idea what this is. I literally.
This is the one which I'm really interested to have a look at.
Oh shit, it says this way up that way.
Oh.
On the side of the bar.
Oh. Well, I messed up then.
I just opened it. It says this way up. Okay, so. Hey, so open this! What is it? Babe, you left the price on the top.
What?
You left the price on the top.
I didn't realise you had prices on.
Look,
Where?
on that white bit somewhere.
Oh.
Oh, it smells banging, doesn't it? I don't need to go out now, anyway. Oh my god, look what's in here. I hate. The only thing I hate.
I know, but that's the thing. I wanted to have a look at it all, and I couldn't get anything out.
Oh, is that free, or did you choose that?
That's free.
Hey, I got my own aqua kite. I don't know if you've seen it, but I bought this for Matt for his birthday.
I absolutely love that stuff.
I have one. Hey, what's this thing? Oh shit! I can't. I'm gonna get all of this on my bed. What is this? Got an actual auto finesse bag.
Do you want me to tell you what it is?
No. Oh my god, how cute is this?
It's a sample kit.
Oh my god. Do you know, I was actually looking at this for you, but I was like, I've already got enough like other stuff. Oh, I like that.
Oh yeah, you got everything.
Another one. I've got cloths and everything. I don't need to go to my dad's place later now.
Oh, we'll go Artec instead for my wheels.
Oh my god, I love it. I really wanted some of that citrus powder as well, because it's the bug and grime remover.
Well, I was going to get you some polish. I was getting you some polish, and that popped up, and I was just like, oh, there's all sorts of stuff she could try on there.
There is there, just because I don't want to like.
I don't think there is. I don't remember buying anything else.
Oh my god, I fully love that.
No.
Fully love it. That is proper cute.
Your room smells nice now.
I know, it smells lovely. It smells like such a mixture of like coconut. Wouldn't have guessed that either. You've done like really, really well. It smells heavy.
This one I'm worried about now.
You bought it!
But then you said the other day, you're like, oh, I'd rather one in a bag. And I was like, oh, I'd already bought one.
I've got tools. I might be able to use them this afternoon.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's it. Have you opened it?
No.
Is that the one you've broken?
Yes.
Okay. This is what I asked Matt to get me some tools. I'm really intrigued. Oh, look how cute this is. I didn't really want loads, but this was just a really cute set. Oh, that actually looks sick, doesn't it? My little hammer. Oh, that's handy.
Oh, yeah. A nice little blade.
A little knife, yeah. That's really handy. Scissors. Dad always moans at me for nicking the scissors. Even just like that is so handy though. Like, cause especially
There are
with
torques missing. Oh, it's fallen out. It's only in there.
Oh, okay.
There it is.
And look, my own, like, oh, this is probably cute.
It smells nude, doesn't it? It's
Yeah.
got that like horrible nude plastic smell.
I don't know which way this goes.
It went the other way up, didn't it?
No, I think it goes that way. But no, fully love that. That's sick. At least I can actually like do bits on my car without having to like ask you for your stuff and try and raid my dad's shed, because you know how difficult that is. And this is why I knew I know what this is. I think I know what it is. Filming equipment. Sounds so posh, doesn't it? And that's broken this already.
I was trying to figure it out and I broke it.
It's that thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
This will be so
Which one was it that I broke?
sick for a video. Okay, so I don't care.
Good.
Let's get them nice. That's sick though, thank you. You did really well. Which one was you nervous about?
That one. No, not that one. What one was it? Happy?
Yes, thank you very much. I've got to put it all in my bag now.
Oh yeah, can open up that bag and have a look now.
Yeah.
Well, happy birthday, Katy.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Obviously I kind of know already what this
Well,
is.
whose is this from?
This is from my dad. But at the moment it looks like he bought me loads of cardboard. Basically I actually ordered this, I just paid with his money because he doesn't do technology. And this is my new grill, my new car. I'm just looking at the fixtures. So yeah, that's one half. We've already got the bumper and the grill off already, the old one, and it wasn't fun because the car I seem to have bought has a different bolt for every hole. So trying to find the tools for that isn't great, but this is going to look easy. That bottom one's going to be so easy.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
That was just literally like, boom, straight in. It's gonna look beast though, isn't it?
Mhm.
Yeah, really nice. I want to see what it would look like if I put it to a certain...
Oh, I'll just put it there.
See the white through it, I don't like that.
Well, we'll paint it black then.
Yeah.
Weren't you a bit disappointed, you sound?
I don't know, because I don't like that bit.
Well, the only thing you can do is wait and paint it black.
Well, I've got black, I just haven't got gloss black.
Yeah, that's the thing. I think it's alright.
Yeah. Well, I might as well just put it on.
Yeah, but you might need to like push them in case it pops back out, maybe.
No, we did it right so far. Yeah. It's just the bottom bit. We'll just move a little bit.
So you need to put like the washer on first and then.
Got to burn that oil off as well.
I'll hold it.
Which way do these actually go?
Well, they haven't got a thread on, so you sort of make one.
It's quite hard. That's hard. Because it just doesn't really go on. I can't do that.
No, I can try.
Stop, but it's too... you can't. It just bounces all over the place. Do you know what I mean?
That's where you sort of need like a ratchet.
Get this final bit on. Oh, it's my slider. God, the tabs for these are tiny compared to the holes. Look. So I just go straight in. I need to see the bottom really because the tabs are tiny. Their clip-in look nice.
Oh yeah, they'll still clip in.
Is it?
Yeah, there's a corner.
Oh yeah.
Done?
This bit.
Done?
Yeah, I think so.
Hold it up.
I'm trying.
Hey, it looks sick. Let's go and have a look at the front as well.
Now if we get the bumper back on.
Hey.
Basically a quick release. What do you think?
I like it.
Oh, I can smell the oil. Oh, that does look pretty sick, doesn't it? That does look cool. Thanks, Dad. Does look pretty sick, doesn't it?
Mm.
Looks a lot more like it's made a hell of a difference.
I just think now you need to do that bottom bit black.
Black, yeah. You got it. To be honest, with the chrome on it before, you didn't really notice that bottom bit, did you?
No, but I notice it now.
No, but yeah, that's what I mean. You notice it now. Oh, well, you know how to get the bumper off anyway, don't
Oh,
you?
yeah, it's pretty easy.
But no, that actually looks really cool.
Happy?
Yeah.